Find professional Samsung Galaxy A52s screen replacement in Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Finding a reliable repair shop to replace a damaged Samsung Galaxy A52s screen can be difficult, especially in Sydney CBD. The CBD has many electronic stores, but not all of them will be able to offer professional Samsung Galaxy A52s screen replacement services. To make sure you get the best service possible, it's important to do your research and find a trusted repair center that specializes in Samsung phones. When looking for a professional Samsung Galaxy A52s screen replacement service in the Sydney CBD area, the first thing you should do is check online reviews. There are many websites that allow customers to rate and review repair shops they have used before. This can be an invaluable resource when trying to decide which store is right for you. Additionally, you should look up customer testimonials on the store's website or social media pages. This will give you an idea of what other customers think about their experience with the store and their level of satisfaction with the repairs they received. Once you've narrowed down your search to a few potential shops, it's time to contact them directly. You should ask questions about their experience working on Samsung phones, their warranty policy, and any other details that may help you make an informed decision. It's also important to inquire about pricing so that you know how much it will cost before committing to any work being done on your device. It's also essential to get an estimate of how long it will take for your device to be repaired before taking it in for repair services at any shop offering professional Samsung Galaxy A52s screen replacement services in Sydney CBD area. Most reputable stores will provide accurate estimates and even offer same-day repairs if possible so that your phone can be quickly returned back into use as soon as possible. Finally, make sure that all repairs done by shop are covered under warranty, so if there are any problems with the parts or labor after leaving the store, these issues can easily be dealt with without having additional costs added onto your bill. As long as all these points have been taken into consideration when finding a reliable place for professional Samsung Galaxy A52s screen replacement service in Sydney CBD area, then rest assured your phone will be good as new once again.